Hey, what's up everyone? Shane here with ROA Off-Road. Today's another Wondering Wednesday, and I have a propane tank in my hand. Have you been wondering why propane in RVs? It's because it's one of the most efficient ways to run most things. Refrigerators, super efficient. Furnaces, super efficient. And also you can put it in a tank and it's very, very mobile. This is a 20-pound propane tank. This is gonna be the similar tank that you'll have on your grill at home. And a lot of people wonder, when it comes time to fill up my propane tanks, what do I do? And so a lot of times people will grab these and they'll take them over to the local Walmart, Home Depot, most grocery stores, they'll have that cage out there, and you just go out there and swap out your tank. You hand them this tank, they give you another tank. What happens when you have a little tank like this little 5-gallon tank? Where do you swap that thing out? What about the big tanks? What if you have a 30-pounder? Where do you swap that out? You don't. And let me tell you something, this is very, very important. Never, if you can, help yourself, never swap this one out either. These tanks are very, very expensive if you swap them out all the time. So you might be wondering, well then what do I do? What you should do is you should take it to a place where you can fill it. You're gonna save a lot of money. It just depends on where you're at. If you're in a tourist town near a national park, sometimes you're gonna pay double for one of these tanks opposed to just filling it. So a lot of places you can take these in, and you have to when it comes to the small ones or the very large ones, you have to take them in because you can't swap these ones out. You take them into a place and get them filled, and you're gonna save like a ton of money over the life of your trailer ownership. So where do you fill them up? Well, lots of gas stations will have them. So you gotta just be kind of looking and keeping a lookout as you're driving down the highway. You look for gas stations that sometimes will say propane fill here. That might be a little bit harder to find, but the places that you can almost guarantee always having propane is at RV parks, KOAs, and any national park, any national forest is going to have a KOA nearby. So KOAs typically all have fill stations. If a KOA doesn't have it, just a standard campground. Most standard campgrounds will have fill stations, and you can go there and get them filled up. The other places that I've seen that have them are almost every Ace Hardware that I've ever been to has a fill station. You can swap them, you can pay twice as much money and swap them, or you can go and have them filled and save a lot of money. So in case you've been wondering, where do I get my propane? Those are the main areas: campgrounds, Ace Hardware. Yes. Thank you so much. If you're wondering anything else, go to our Wondering playlist, go over tons of different little miscellaneous tips. This stuff is meant to be bite-sized and easy to watch during your lunch break at work. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.